जैसा कि आपका बोर्ड का पेपर 2 तारीख को होने वाला है 2019 का, और इंफॉर्मेटिक्स प्रैक्टिसेस की तैयारी हो सकता आपने कर ली होगी, बट अभी आपको अपने आप को चेक करने की जरूरत है। तो आइए मेरे साथ आप 2017 के बोर्ड पेपर का सॉल्यूशन बनाते हैं। जो 2017 का बोर्ड पेपर है वो ये बोर्ड पेपर आया हुआ था 2017 में CBSE बोर्ड के द्वारा। जो पेपर पूछा गया था वो आपके सामने स्क्रीन पे दिखाई दे रहा है। तो आइए क्वेश्चंस को समझते हैं और देखते हैं कि क्वेश्चंस का क्या सॉल्यूशन है। ठीक है, जो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है आपके सामने, आइडेंटिफाई द ऑड वन आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंड गिव रीजन आल्सो। तो इस क्वेश्चन का जो जवाब होगा, क्वेश्चन का आंसर है, जैसा देखा जाए यहाँ पे दिया हुआ ऑप्टिकल फाइबर, कोएक्सियल केबल, ब्लूटूथ एंड ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल। जैसा कि ब्लूटूथ आपको दिख रहा है कि इट इज अनगाइडेड ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया, रेस्ट ऑल आर द गाइडेड ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया। सो ऑड वन आउट का आंसर क्या है? ब्लूटूथ। बट इट्स आस्क यू रीजन ऑल्सो, तो आप इसका रीजन क्या देंगे कि आप लिखेंगे ऑल आर गाइडेड ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया while Bluetooth is unguided transmission media। ठीक है, तो ये आपका रीजन हो जाएगा इस क्वेश्चन के लिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर बी को जरा समझिए कि क्वेश्चन नंबर बी क्या कह रहा है कि हाउ इज इट इजियर टू डायग्नोज फॉल्ट इन स्टार टोपोलॉजी देन इन बस टोपोलॉजी। एज यू ऑल नो कि इन स्टार टोपोलॉजी ऑल computers are connected with one computer, that is a central computer, okay, and they all are connected to one connections, means all have the separate wire. So if the problem is in one computer, you have to check particular computer related wire only. But in case of bus topology, what happens, the common wire is attached, all computers are attached with the common wire, and if there is a problem in bus topology, then you have to check the whole wire, and the length of the wire is depend upon the situation of the network. So that's why it is easy to diagnose the fault in a star topology. Move to the next question. Next question is, what is the purpose of logical address of a computer? What is the purpose of this logical address? Logical address means IP address. Okay, logical address means IP address. It is IP address. So what is the use of logical address? It is used to identify the computer in network. Identify computer in the local network. Whatever network established in your organizations or anywhere, in school, anywhere, in that network, if you want to identify a particular computer, then you require a IP address. Remember that the example of IP address is, this is the IP address, okay, and it is a how much bytes long? It is a 4 bytes long. And how much memory consumed? 32 bits memory consumed. 4 bytes and 32 bits. So remember that this is the answer of this question. Now the next question, question number D. What is the question? Does open source software only mean that the software is free of cost? Means open source software means only software is free of cost. Give your reason. Means what do you mean by the open source software? Open source software means source code is open. Means source code is open. So what is the meaning of this? Source code is open. What is the meaning of this? Means that you can modify the source code. You can modify the source code. You can distribute also. You can distribute the code also. Okay, distribute also. And whatever change you want to do, you can do this. So this is the meaning of this. It's not only meaning of the free of cost. Free of cost definitely it is available, as well as its source code is also available. Okay, so you have to write the answer according to your in your own language. I'm just giving the explanation of each question so that I will consume less time. Which of the following are the valid IP address? Now in the above question, this is logical address. Again the IP address is there. Give reason if invalid. Now you have to find out, as I given the examples, ki what are the, these are the 4 IP address. It is the valid here. So you have to notice that which IP address is the invalid here. So first 121.23.1.45. ठीक है, it's okay. 195, it's okay. 192, it's okay. But here is a negative number. Negative number is not allowed in any case. Means the value range is between 0 to 255. 0 to 255, 0 to 255 in every dot. Okay, so there are 4 numbers and every maximum possibilities of number is 0 to 255. That is the range. So the option D is the invalid here. Which question is invalid? Answer is invalid here. This answer is invalid. So you can write here option 4. Okay, and it's asked reason also. So you can say that the reason is -1 is not allowed. Means what you have to write, -1 is not a valid number. A valid number, not a valid number. So this is the reason. Okay, valid number is between 0 to 250, 0 to 255. So this is the valid number. Okay, move on the next question. What is the next question is there? Now the question number second A. Write the value that will be assigned to the variable x after executing the following statement. When you have to find out the value. Now here you have to remember the BODMAS rule, because with the help of BODMAS you can. So you know that multiplication and division both have the same precedence. So whichever comes first, which will execute first. So you have to first multiply 20 into 3. It's a 60. Now divide the 60 by 5. Now divide the 60 by 5. So what you will get? 12. Now 20 plus minus both have the same precedence. Which comes first? Execute first. So 20 minus 5, 15, and 15 plus 3, and 15 plus 3 not here. It's a, what is the answer? 60 by 5, it's a 12. So 20 minus 5, 15 plus 12. So what is the answer? Final answer is 15 plus 12 is 27. So 27 is the final answer of this question. Move on the next question. Consider the statement. So choice is equal to wire. What is the data type of variable choice? Write a Java statement to declare the variable choice. So first you have to tell the data type. Data type is the char. K data type. What is the data type? Char data type. How you will write? How will you declare this statement? Char choice equal to y. So this is the answer of this question. Move on the next question. Question number C. While working in Advanced ID, Amit wants that text in a text area should move to the next line without breaking the word. Which property would help him to do that? So in a text area there are two properties. In a text area there are two properties which name you have to write here. One is called line wrap. One is called line wrap, and this property you have to make it true. This property line wrap. And second is because it wants that the text in a text area should move to the next line without breaking the word. And if you true only line wrap, then the word is broken whenever it touches the boundary. Broken automatically whenever it touches the boundary. But you have to break the word according to the word by word. So the there is another property. This is called wrap style. Wrap style word, and it also true. It also you have to make it true. Okay, so these two properties is helping in moving the text in a new line, moving the according to the wrapping the text according to word. Write a Java statement to append a string ABC to the text that is already in the text area named JText area 1. Means you have to append a text. So what is this text area 1? There are two methods. With the help of that you can write the text in a text area. One is the set text, another is the append. But if you are using the set text, the previous content get erased and new content will be displayed there. But you have to add the text with the previous one. So it means you have to use the append. So what is the answer of this question? JText area dot append ABC. Okay, move on the next question. The next question is the E. What is the answer of this question? E. What is the question? Write the output of the following HTML code. OL start means OL belongs to the order list. A start which indicate the number from which it have to start, and there is a no type is given. So by default it is 1 2 3 4. So start number is 4. It means that the output of this question is 4. Bake the mixture in oven for an hour. The first line again 5. Okay, remove from oven. Next 6, and allow the mixture to stand for 10 minutes. And at last it is written there serve. So this one is the output of given HTML code. Okay, now moving on the next question. What is the next question? Question number F. I am talking about the second F. Given below is a code, or some code is given here. Message, text, hello world, /text, message. Which language is used to write the above code? Which language? Because here the tags it is written, this is a new tags, and you all know that new tags is permissible only in XML. In XML allowed you to create your own tags. So which language is used? So XML is the answer of this. What are the message, /message, text, and these all are the tags. These all are the tags. Okay, and you may say user defined tags. Move on the next question. The next question is the G. What is the question? Rewrite the following code using if-else if statement instead of the switch. So my dear students, be careful. This question is the most frequently asked question in a informatics practices paper. So be careful about this question, and you damn sure this question you definitely you will get in your exam. Okay, so be careful. Switch success. So what is the name of the variable? The name of the variable is the success. So you have to write here if success. Don't try to change the any name and anything. Okay, just you have to convert the whole code with the help of the if else without using the switch case. So case is the -1. So if success, the first case is -1, if success is -1. If success is -1. Only these things you have to take out. Everywhere where is the case is given, write if. Everywhere case is given, write if the default is given, write else only. Okay, and where is you are writing if, you don't forget to use the name of the variable, and that is the success. So x1 is equal to no results. What's the if success is equal to 1? So what is the output? X1. You have to assign a value to x1 variable, and what is this? X1 is equal to no result. Okay, semicolon. Else if again you have to write success equal to 0, and then what you have to write? x1 equal to final, x1 equal to final result not whatever a statement written inside the switch case, that same statement you have to write here. Don't try to change the statement. Okay, and because this is the default only, the last one is the default only, so for the default you have to write else. So else, and what you have to write here? x1 is equal to result not known. Okay, so this one is the final solution of this question. Okay, move on the next question. Next question is the third question, third A. So what is the third A question? Third A. How is the database related to a table? How is the database related to a table? You know that database is the collection of the table. Database is the collection of table. So you can write here database is the collection of table, and table is the collection of interrelated rows or records, interrelated records of an organization, Okay, so this one is the answer of this question. Move on the next question. Question number B. Arya wants to add another column gender in the already existing table customers. She has written some code there. Following a statement she has written, but the statement has an error. So you have to remove that errors and rewrite the statement. Definitely it's an error because she is using the modify. Modify is not a command. There is no command in a MySQL where is a modify. It is a clause of the alter table command. Okay, so but she want to add another column. What she want to do? Another column she want to add. So it means that you have to use one DLL command, and that command is known as the alter table. Alter table, what is the name of the table? Customers. So alter table customer, and what you want to do? You want to add. So write the add. And what is the name of the column? Gender. Name of the column is gender. What is the data type? Char, and it is 1. Char or varchar you can write. So this one is the correct answer of the given these questions. Okay, so you just write this statement. In a hospital, now move on the next question. Question number 3. I am talking about this question. In a hospital, the patients are allocated to wards. Okay, a database name hospital is created. Very good. And one table in this database is ward. Okay, with ward ID, ward name, number of beds as a column, and ward ID is a primary key. Okay, very good. Write another suitable table you could expect to see in a hospital, means or in a hospital database with 3 suitable columns identifying primary key and foreign key in a table that you expect. That's very good. Means you have to think about the hospital first. Okay, how many types of information they need to the processed inside the hospital, because already the one information is given, and that is the ward. Every ward has a detail. So now you have to put some another table. Think about another table. So many table is possible. I am just writing here one table. I need patients. Suppose I want to keep the information of the patient, and patient, whenever patient come in the hospital for the treatments, and that treatment takes some time, it means they need to be hospitalized. They need to be hospitalized, and whenever they are hospitalized, definitely they require a ward room, and a bed is required, and every bed is inside a ward room. So I'm just suggesting the name of the table. Table name is ward. Table name is a ward, a patient. I'm suggesting this name here. You may suggest any other name, but don't forget you have to suggest some. So if I'm suggesting, so definitely I require a patient ID. I need a patient ID. And what data type it is? It's maybe integer, it's maybe characters, but I'm going to keep it integer or number, you may say. It's integer or number. Second column, I want patient number. I want patient name, and definitely it is a CAD data type. Definitely it is a CAD data type with 30 or 40, whatever size you want, you can give. Another thing, because patient is coming for the treatment and required to go in so I'm going to keep a ward ID also. Okay, what ward, in which ward is get admitted? Okay, ward ID. So I'm keeping a ward ID also, and ward ID. Okay, data type is not given there, so just I'm writing word ID, and its data type is integer. Okay, and it is a foreign key. It is a foreign key. Okay, because this table, this column is already, and because patient ID is used to identify the information, so patient ID become the primary key here. So this one is the solution of this question. Now move on the next question, and next question is the question number D. What is the question there? Explain the following statement with the help of example. In a transaction, either all the SQL statement be committed or all roll back. What is the meaning of this? Means if you are saying the transaction is completed, if the transaction is completed, it means that the before the transactions, whatever the integrity is there, the same must be after the transaction. Before the transaction, whatever integrity is there, they must be same after the transaction. So that is the meaning of this as well. Either transaction done or transaction roll back. Means integrity always maintained. So this is the answer of this question. You try to write it with your own self. Okay. What is the given in the department? Given below is the department table. Okay, very good. So it is a table here. Set auto commit is equal to 0 means that does not go to save the record automatically. Update department, set department name office, where department name admin, means the admin name gets changed and it become now office. Okay, insert into department values 104 HRD, means one more record is added here. Okay, update department, set department name front office, where department name reception, so reception name gets changed here. Okay, and commit. Now they try to save the all the informations changed made by this above DDL and commands. Okay, so this commands, whatever changes made by these commands are committed here. Now delete from department, where department name front office. Okay, so it's try to remove one records from there. Of a rollback means whatever deletion done, I want to cancel that command, so it's cancel it. Select a star from departments, and what will the output of the above select? Means finally you have to write down output. Remember that this command is rollback, so whatever record deleted by this command is not deleted now, but these all commands done successfully saved in your table because you have given the commit here also. So what the output of this select command? Output of this select command, first dip code will come, then dep name will there, and here what information is coming? Look at the information. First 101, and name of admin gets changed with office. So what is this here? Office. Okay, second 102, name of receptions gets changed with the front office, so front office name. Next question 103, and the personal, there is no change with the personal, so and one more records are added with the help of the insert command here, 104 HRD. So this is the final output of above query. Okay, so this is answer of question number third E. Now move on the next command, third F. How is the having a sim clause similar to the where clause? How is the having clause different from where clause? Explain with the help of the examples of each. Means first you have to write the similarity between having and where. Both clauses are used to apply condition. used to apply condition, or used to filter records, used to filter records in query. The first, this is the similarity. I'm talking about the similarity first. It is the similarity between the similarity between having and clause. Now I'm going to show you a difference. Okay, what is the difference between this? The difference is that having clause works on the group, while where clause works on the row, so it's work on each and every row, while having works on a group. Now it wants an example, so I'm just giving the example. Select a star, select department code, or you may say department ID, comma, count a star from department table. Okay, group by depth ID. Okay, having count a star greater than 2. It means that I want to show those records or those department which contain more than 2 employees. With those department which contain more than 2 employees. Okay, so this is this. But what do you want to give the where clause example also? So right here, select depth ID, comma, name from department where depth ID is equal to 101. Like this way you can write the query. So this is the difference and similarity between having and similar where clause. Now move on the next question. Question number 4. What is the next question? Question number 4 it is. So question number 4, first question A. Write the values of R and S after execution of the following code. Just try to learn. P is equal to 11. Okay, the value of P is 11 here. Q is equal to 21. The value of Q is 21 here. Int R, int S. No value is given. Okay. R is equal to plus Q. So this is the pre-increment operator, and in a pre-increment operator, first increase then use condition is there. So it try to increase the value of Q by 1, and because initially Q is 21, it becomes 22. So value of Q is 22 here, and value of R is also 22 here. So what is the value of R and S? It is asking. The value of R is 22. Next you have to check the value of S. And it is the post increment. Post increments will first use then increase. And what is the value of P? It's 11. And what is the use? Use is assigning a value of P, to S. So till here, now value of P is going to S, so it is 11, and then after P increase, so P becomes 12. So value of S is 11 here. Okay, but wait. One more statement is given here, R++, and there is a single statement. Here's two operators are used, assignment plus increment. So first increase then use, the both operations are there, but here nothing is there, only increment operator. So it change the value of R by 1. And what is the value of R? Till here its value is 22. So due to that statement, last statement becomes 23. So the final answer is value of R is 23 and value of S is 11. Move on the next question. What will be displayed in ZText field 1 and ZText field 2 after the following code is executed? Means you have to show what is the result of ZText field 1 and ZText field 2. Okay, so read the question first. Int n digit 0, it's okay. N is equal to 35, it's okay. N greater than equal to 12. Greater than 12 means a loop will be going on till the value of n is greater than 12. N digit is equal to n digit plus 1. It is 0, 0 plus 1, 1, n equal to n minus 10. So you have to find out how many times the loop. 35, condition true, n digit become 1 here. Till here n digit becomes 1. Try to understand. 35, condition true, n digit becomes 1 here. Now n equal to n minus 1. n equal to n minus 10, n equal to minus 10, so value decrease and it become 25. Again it's come to check the condition here. Again it's come to check the condition, so n greater than 12, again condition is true because 25 is greater than 12, so again the value of digit increase by 1 and it becomes 2. Okay, it becomes 2 here. Now again 25 minus 10 is 15. Again 25 minus 10 is 15. Again you have to come and check the condition here, and this condition is again true. So n digit increase by 1 and 2 increase by 1, it becomes 3. So now the new value of n digit is 3 here. Again n minus 10, so 15 minus 10 is 5, and again come to check condition, but this time condition is false. This time condition is false because value of n is 5. Now it's come here and it will show. So text field 1 value is, what is the j text field 1? J text field text field 1. What is the value of this? The value of this is n digit, and n digit is the 3 only because the loop executed only 3 times. So the value of this 3, and j text field 2. J text field 2 was value of n, and the last value of n when the condition is false, that is 5. So the value of is 5. So this value is printed in the text field. Move on the next question. Write the value c after executing following code. So what is the code here? First go with the code. Int p, okay, one variable is p here. Int r value of r is 8. Int odd number, okay, one more variable is odd number. C equal to 0, okay, c value is 1. Now look at this loop. P equal to 1 to less than r, p equal to p plus 3. Means what? The loop will be executed from 1 to r. And value of p is updated by 3. Every time it increases by 3. Odd number is equal to p mod 2. So now look at this. P is equal to 1, r is equal to 8. So loop goes up to 1 to 7. Okay, that's good. So p mod 2, because p is the 1, so if I divide the 2 and I'm taking the remainder, it will give 1. So odd num is 1 here. If odd num is equal to 1, definitely it is num. So c is equal to c plus 1. So c increase by 1, c become 1 here. C become 1 here. Okay, again it have to come here. P increase by 1. P is the 1 plus 3 is the 4. P increase by 3, so p plus 3 is becomes 4. So next value is 4, and 4 less than 8, yes, again, but odd number it's a 0, and this condition is false, so no value increase. So remember that c is equal to 1 and p is equal to 4. Again p plus 7 is a 7 less than, and 7 is the odd number, so c becomes 2 here. Again it come here 10 is the not less than 8, so it's come out, and it's asking the what is the question is it, what is the value of c? So value of c is 2. Value of c is 2. So this is the answer of this question. Move on the next question. Question number D. Write the value that will stored in a variable t after the execution of the following code. How many times will the loop execute? Means you have to write down the value. Int sum. Variable t, you have to write the value what will stored in variable t. Means here you have to write the value of t also. Value of t also. And after the execution of following code, how many times? Means two things you have to find out. One is the many times and the variable of t. Okay, come. Sum is equal to 0, score is equal to 2, double t. No value is given to 2, but sum is the 0, score is the 0. Come here. While score less than equal to 3. Okay. So 0 to 3. Loop will execute 4 times. Let's check. First time I will write here for your simplicity. I will write here some times first. Okay, how many times? First, a score is equal to 0. So whenever a score is 0, it's come inside. A score is equal to a score plus 1. So a score becomes 1 here. A score becomes 1 here. Okay, wait. A score, I will write here a score. Okay, a score equal to 0 initially, but after that a score become 1. There is one more variable, and the name of the variable is the sum. There is one more variable, the name of the variable is sum. Initially it is 0, but what is written here after this statement, this value will in sum is equal to sum plus a score, and because sum is the 1 here, score is the 1 here. Okay, because this 0 is deleted. First it is 0, but later on it's become 1. So 0 becomes 1. I will write like this way. So here 0 plus 1, it's also become 1. Okay, so sum is 1 here. Now you have to check the condition, score less than 3. Yes, it is less than 3. So less than equal to 3. So come again, increase the value of a score by 1. So now a score become 2. A score become 2, but the value of sum is equal to sum plus score. So initially it is 1 plus 2. So what is the next value of sum? It is 3. Okay, again come, because sum is 2 is the less than equal to 3, come inside, condition is 2, again increase the value of a score by 1, so it become 3 here. Now it become 3 here, and come here, sum equal to sum plus a score, so sum is the 3, so 3 plus 3, so it is 6 here. Okay, again come, a score is still 3, a score less than equal to condition 2, again you go inside, so again your value increase, and the value increase, it is 4. Means look at this, whenever you are 0, loop executed 1 time, whenever 1, loop executed 2 times, whenever 2, loop executed 3 times, whenever 3, loop executed 3 times, whenever 4, still loop executed, because first increase then check the condition. Come the point. So so score 3 less than, you come here, score is equal to 4, and 6 plus 4 and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 here, and now it's come to check the condition, score is equal to, so here what happened, it is false. So look at this, how many 2? Whenever a score 0, this condition is true. Whenever a score 1, this condition is true. Which condition? I am talking about this condition, okay, come on the point, this condition is true. And how many times it is true? When 0 it is true, when 1 it is true, when 2 it is true, when 2 it is true, okay, and when 3 it is true. So there are 4 times it is true. Okay, so how many times loop executed? So now the final answer you are to have a type, how many times? The answer is 4. Now value of variable t, so value of variable t is, now look at this, t is equal to sum divided by 3, so 10 divided by 3, so what quotient you will get? 10 divided by 3, you will get 3, so value of 3 is 3. Now t is 3. So this is the answer of this question. Move on the next question. What is the next question here? The following code has errors. Okay, rewrite the correct code underlying all the corrections made. Means you have to rewrite all the codes with the correction. First I am going to highlight the correction here, then I will write the code. Int is j, there is no mistake. Int I equal to 15, there is no mistake. Int flag equal to 1, there is no mistake. So these all variables, first 3 lines has no mistake. While j is equal to 2, j less than, the thing is there, because this statement, this types of statements used inside the for loop, so this is an invalid was use. So this is the invalid use, it means you have to use here for. Second thing, you are giving nothing here, it is a blank space not allowed, you have to put semicolon there. J is less than I is okay, j plus plus is okay, open curly braces is okay. If I mod j, now you are going to use the comparative or comparison operator, means equality operator you have to use here, not the assignment operator. It's the invalid use of assignment operator. So here is the another mistake. Now this is okay, flag equal to 0, it's again mistake, because you want to assign a value to the flag, you have to use single equal to, means assignment operator. Break, you can use break, there is no problem here, this is no problem. So how many mistakes we notice here? 1 2 3 4 mistakes are here. So now I am going to rewrite the code. Okay, so what the code we have to write here? First int j, okay, semicolon, second int I equal to 15 semicolon, and int flag equal to 1 semicolon, then 4, and then j equal to 2 semicolon, j less than, you can notice that where I am going doing, how I am writing this comparatively, you can understand this, j less than I, j plus plus, close this. Now open curly braces, and then if I mod j equal to 0, close curly brace, close parenthesis. Now again open curly braces, and what you have to write, flag equal to 0, close this. Now write a break statement, semicolon, close curly braces, okay, close curly braces, and that is the end of the program, and this one is the final solution for your program. Okay, move on the next question. The next question is the F. What is the next question? Mrs. Fauzia works as a programmer in a Telltale mobile company. ठीक है, she is a programmer, very good. Where she has designed a software to compute charges to paid by the mobile phone user. Okay, a screenshot is the same as the shown below. Means this is a screenshot: name, mobile number, number of calls made, number of SMS sent, mobile data plan, and calculate charge, clear, exit, calls and SMS charge, mobile data plan, and amount to pay. Very good. Means very simple question it is actually. Each call is charged ₹1. Okay, how many calls, number of calls you have to mention, number of SMS you have to mention, and each call charge is the 1, and each HMS call is the ₹50. Yeah, ₹50 only. User can opt for the mobile data plan, and charges for mobile data plan is ₹50 flat. Means if you select this checkbox, you have to pay ₹50 extra. Now you are responsible to help Mrs. Fauzia. She is the programmer, but you have to help. Okay, when the calculate charges button is clicked, call and SMS charge, calls and SMS charges, mobile data plan charges, and amount to be paid should be calculated and displayed in the respective text box. Means SMS charge you have to show, call charge you have to show, and total amount you have to show here. What amount? Amount to pay, how you have to calculate calls and SMS charge plus mobile data plan, and this is the way. Okay, so now I am going to start solving first question. What information you need to process these things? I need only 2 information, but if you are looking at the screen, this is given name here, no use for in a calculation. There is no role of the mobile phone number in a calculation. The role of the calculation depends how you will do the calculation. You do the calculation with the help of number of calls made and number of SMS sent, and as the mobile data plan selected or not selected. So only these 3 informations is important for your calculation, so just ignore these 2 information. No, don't bother about this. Okay, and don't try to touch it. Achha, no suggestion is given regarding the text field name, so you just keep the appropriate field name. So okay, now move on the next question. So you have to calculate the charge. I'm going to calculate double. I'm going to write here first int, and what is this? Each call. So I'm going to write here n call, number of call is equal to integer dot pass int tf call dot get text. Okay, next statement I'm going to write here after this int n SMS is equal to integer dot pass int tf SMS dot get text. Okay, tms dot get text. Now I need some variables to calculate the amount. Okay, and flat charges also. So I'm just creating a variable here, double flat data plan charge d plan. Okay, is equal to 0.0. Okay, and last I have to calculate amount to pay. Means you may write pay amount, and it is also initially 0.0. Okay, now I'm going to check if combo box. So I will write here CB combo box, checkbox mobile data plan. So checkbox mobile data dot is selected. You may write here equal to true, or you may not write, doesn't matter here. So D plan, if it is true, so D plan is 50 rupees as given in a questions. It is a flat rate 50 rupees here given it is. Okay, so this way I can do. Next, what I have to do, I have to do the total pay amount. So what I am write here, pay amount is equal to n call multiply, what is the rate? 1.00 plus n SMS, what is the rate? 0.50 plus flat charge D plan, means data plan. So this way you can calculate the total amount, and at last you have to show each and everything. Call and SMS charge you have to show there, mobile data plan charge you have to show there. Okay, so you may do one thing, because we have to show this information there, so you can keep another variable here, double call SMS charge C call SMS. Okay, call SMS equal to, and here you can write and call, same statement you will write here, and call 1.00 plus and SMS multiply 0.50. And now because already you have calculated the call SMS, so no need to write the same statement again. Okay, you just write here call SMS. Okay, so and don't do this deep planning, you know that already there. And now you have to display every information in a screenshot, so you just write here TF call SMS dot set text and plus call SMS. Okay, next you have to show the mobile data plan, so you can just write TF mobile data dot set text, and what is this? D plan. If it is 0, it will show 0, and if it is any value, then it will show the 50 rupees there. Okay, next is amount to pay, so TF amount dot set text, and what you have to write here? Pay amount, and don't forget to put the double quotes. Okay, either or before this or either this. Okay, so I'm just writing before this. Normally you have a habit to write this before. So this is the answer of this question F1. Now move on the next part. What is the next question is there? I think you are understanding this very well. When the clear button click, all the text field and checkbox should be clear. Okay, so all the text field you have to clear and checkbox you have to clear. So this is the coding for clear button. Clear button you have to click. So what you have to do? TF name dot set text, and if you don't remember anything, just try to write null there. TF mobile number dot set text, and variable name is not given, so be careful, you just keep the all variable name meaningful. And TF call dot set text plus null you have to write. Either you write null here, or you may write, I'm writing another statement, TF SMS dot set text. You can write here this way also. Okay, now checkbox you have to clear, so what you have to write? CB mobile data dot mobile data dot set selected. It's selected, set selected, and set selected is false. Okay, now you have to clear what? You have to clear result data. So what is this? TF call SMS dot set text and double quotes. You can use anyone, either null or double quotes, doesn't matter here. TF mobile data dot set text double quotes. Okay, and the last is the TF amount dot set text. Okay, and here you can write this with double quotes. So this is the answer of this question. Now move on the next question. Next question is question number 3rd. What is this third question of F? When the exit button clicks, the application should close. So it is the exit button coding. Exit, you know that. What command you have to write? System dot exit 0. Okay, so solution F is done. Now move on the question number 5. Question number 5A. So first go and read the question. What is the question there? Consider the table infant shown below. Table is the infant having item code, item, date of purchase, unit price, and discount. This. Okay. And the question discount column stored discount percentage. It's okay. This remarks is given here. So be careful here. Write in the SQL commands in SQL means we have to write the command in SQL for 1 to 8 and output for 9 to 10. Don't forget to read the questions carefully with their instruction. Display the details about the cot. So what you will write here? Select star from infant where item equal to cot. Okay, next question, question number B. ठीक है. What is this question? To list the name, display details about code done. List the names of items, their unit price and that have unit price less than 800 and discount more than 5%. Means on there two conditions you have to apply. What you have to do, you have to select name of item. Okay, then only item. Okay, then their unit price. Okay, that have. So from where you will show infant. Okay, then you put the condition where that have unit price, it is written here that have unit price less than 800, where, so you just write here where unit price is less than 800 and it is and here, so you have to write here A and D and discount more than 5%. So what you have to write here, and discount greater than 5 semicolon. So this is the answer of question B. Now the next question, sorry, it is not B, it is 1 2 3. Roman 1 2 3 is written there, so I'll also write it. Wait. 1 2 3. Done. So now move on the next question number 4, and first question number 3. List the names of items and their date of purchase that were purchased after 31st December 2015. Means after means in 1st Jan 2016, like this. Name of item and their date of purchase. So what you have to write here, select item comma date purchase from infant, where what the code is here, date of purchase. So date purchase greater than equal to 2000 greater than 2015 12 31st. So this way you can put this query. Next question, to display the number of items that have more than 10% as a discount. Display the number of items means we have to count. Display the number of items. Select count star from infant. Okay, where select count star from infant where plus discount is equal to discount have more than 10%, more than 10. Next question is question number 5. To display item code and unit price in decreasing order of unit price. Means you have to show the item code. So select item code comma unit price from infant order by. Which command? Order by, because it's want the decreasing order. So order by unit price. If you written this much, it will show in increasing order, but you want to decreasing order, so write DESC here. Next question is 6, and what is the next question? Question 6 is that to increase the unit price of each item by 10% of their unit price. Means you have to increase. It's not written here ki you have to make a query only for, so it means you have to increase. So write here update infant set unit price is equal to unit price plus unit price multiply unit price equal to unit price multiply 0.10. Okay. The next question is question number 7. देखिएगा, to display the highest unit price of items. So what query you have to write? Select max unit price from infant semicolon. Display display the name of items that have baby anywhere in their item name. Okay, so this query is the like pattern based query. So what you have to write here, select, because it's a display the name of items. Okay, so this select item from infant, where, because it's asking baby anywhere in their name, so where item like percent anywhere, if say, it means you have to use the percent and percent, not beginning, not and, means before baby any number of character is possible, after baby any number of character is possible, so use here percent sign. Okay, next question, you have to show the output. So this is the output based question. Output you have to write here. Okay, what is the question? Question number 9, select mid item comma 1 comma 2. What is the meaning of this? Mid item 1 comma 2. So you have to show the first 2 characters of every item. So output is, first you show output here, and FRCOSOBA and BA. So this is the output of question number 9. Next question, question number 10. What is the question number 10 here? Question number 10 is select average unit price from infant where date of purchase is 2015 1 and you have to calculate the average unit price. So okay, first you write here average AVG, okay, unit price, average unit price with date of purchase 1st January 2015, after 2015. So first you highlight the records which date of purchase is after 1st January 2015. So this one is the record, this is also because it is after, this is also, but this one is not because it's a 14 here, but this is also because it is. So these records, how many records? 1 2 3 4. Now sum up this value, 700 plus 5000, 5700 plus 800, 6500 plus 5500, it's a 7000. Okay, so it's a 7000, and now you have to divide the 7000 by 4. So divide the 7000 by 4 and whatever result you will get. So 4 1s are 4 and it is 330, 4 7s are 28, it's a 220, 7000 we are going to divide now. So 7000 divided by 4. So what you will get? 1750. Yes, so this is the answer of this question, 1750. This is the answer of this question. So now move on the next question, and next question is question number 6, and it is also the SQL based question. XYZ company. Now question number 6a. Which question? Question number 6a. What is this question? 6a. So look at this question. XYZ company conducts workshop for employee organization. The company requires data of workshop that organize, write the SQL query to create the table. Means you have to write the command for creating a table. Create table. What is the name of the table? Workshop. Okay, and start parenthesis with the following workshop ID, workshop ID, and integer, int or integer you may write here, and primary key, then title varchar 50, okay, comma, then date workshop, and it's a date only, comma, no need to mention any size in a date. Num speakers integer. You want to give any size, you can give size here, and at last close parenthesis and semicolon. So this is the answer of question 6a. Now move on the question number 6b. Consider the tables given below and answer the question that follow. Okay, so now event and celebrity, there are two tables and you have to name the primary keys in the both the tables and foreign key in event table. Primary key in both tables and foreign key. Look at this question, name primary key in both tables and foreign key in event tables. Okay, so foreign key you have to identify in event and primary. So in case of the event, look at this. So I'm writing primary key. First I'm writing primary key. Table name event. I'm writing event table. Event table, which column is the primary key? Here primary key is the event ID. Event ID is the primary key here. And in celebrity table, which one is the foreign key? Celebrity table, the foreign key is the celebrity ID. Okay, so celebrity table, foreign key is the celebrity ID. Now I'm talking about the foreign key. Okay, which one is the foreign key here? FOREIGN, foreign key. So in celebrity table, foreign key is a no. In a event table only. In a event table, foreign key is a celebrity ID. Celebrity ID is the event foreign key in a event table. Move on the next question. It is the B first question. This is the answer of the B first. Now move on the B second question. What is the second question? How many rows will be present in a Cartesian join of the above mentioned two tables? So number of rows it is asking. So whenever number of rows is asking, you have to just multiply. How many rows are there? Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4, row number 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just multiply the number of rows of the table 1 and number of rows. So answer of this, number of rows. Achha, one more questions are left in one. Can number performer be set as the primary key? Give reason. Number performance can be set as the primary key. Where is this column? 10, 20, 12, 15. Number of performers? No. This in this part, second part is there. No. Num performers cannot be primary key because its value may be duplicate in different events. Okay, so that's why it is not possible. Okay, now. So now the next question, how many rows will be present in the Cartesian join of the above mentioned table? So number of rows in a Cartesian join, is 16. Okay, in the table event and celebrity ID 102 is present twice in the column celebrity ID. Is there discrepancy? No. Is there discrepancy? No. No discrepancy in the table event. Because the celebrity ID is a foreign key, and in foreign key duplicate values allowed. Okay, so that's why there is no discrepancy in this table. Now move on the next question, question number C. Question number C, with reference to the above given tables in question 6b, write the commands in SQL for 1, 2, 3. So reference to this table event and celebrity, you have to write the commands. What is this? To display event ID, event name, celebrity ID and names of celebrities for only those events that have more than 10 performers. So you have to display some records, you have to write down the query, and what you have to display the event ID, event name, celebrity ID and names of celebrities. Okay, so look at the table first. Event ID is here, event ID is here, we have to show the event ID. Okay, then what you have to show next things, what is asking? Event name is the here. Okay, event is the here, and then celebrity name they also want. So this is the name of the celebrity with their number of performers, with names, event ID, celebrity ID, celebrity ID and name of the celebrities they want. Okay, so celebrity ID they want, and with the condition is that have more than 10 performers. Okay, so come on the point, write the query here, query of the C first. I'm writing the query for C first. So select event ID comma event name. What is the column? It is event only. I think it's a event only. Okay, event. Okay, comma celebrity ID, celebrity ID, comma and name only. So name from two tables is there, event comma celebrity, event E. I'm going to create an alias here, event E and celebrity C, and here I'm going to write celebrity C dot celebrity ID. Okay, and then C dot celebrity ID, and here by mistake it is written E again. So C where, and because you have to do the Cartesian join, where C dot celebrity ID E dot celebrity ID is equal to C dot celebrity ID, C dot celebrity ID, and you have to put the another condition here, and number of performers. What is the name of the column? I'm going to check once again. Num performers. So the name of the column is num performers greater than 10. Num performers greater than 10 and semicolon. Okay, so this one is the solution of question number C1. Okay, move on the next question. Okay, what is the next question is there? Look at this question, question number 2. To display event name, what you have to display? Event name, celebrity ID and name of celebrities who have Khan anywhere in their name. Means you have to display the event name also, you have to display the celebrity ID and name of celebrity. Okay, because I am to celebrate ID, so I'll just copy this. And then I will solve this question. Question number 2 is there. Question number 2 is there, and just paste it here. And now check event name they want. Okay, so take the event ID not required, remove this event ID from here. Celebrity ID they want. Okay, and celebrity name is also want. Okay, same query, and there's there, but there is a condition here, and Khan in their name. So name of the celebrity is name only. So what you have to write here, and name like percent Khan, name like percent Khan. So Khan is possible anywhere in their name, and that semicolon. Remember that event name. So event is there. Celebrity ID is C dot celebrity ID. Full alias name you have to write the column name with the alias, because if you are not mentioning this, the compiler gets confused. SQL compiler gets confused because celebrity ID is available in both table, and you are writing here event also celebrity ID. So name from this event, and where E dot celebrity ID is equal to C dot celebrity ID and name like this. So this one is the query of this. Now move on the next question. So what is the next question of third? Display event name, name of celebrities and fee charged for those celebrities who charge more than 20 2 lakhs. Okay, so here again you have to show, again I'm pasting first, I'm copy paste this because okay, so now event name I want, so I will keep the event here, event name I want, so I will keep here event. Okay, then what I want, name of celebrities. Okay, name of celebrities here. Then I want fee charges, means I don't want celebrity ID, so I remove this celebrity ID from here, I don't need. Now I want fee charges. What I want, fee charges. So where is the fee charge? It's a here, fee charge is here. What is this? This is the name of the column, fee charge. Okay, so fee charge is here, so you just write here one more column, fee charged. Okay, acha, the condition is there at for those celebrities who charge more than 2 lakhs. It means here you have to put the another condition with the and clause, and what you have to write here, just remove these things. Right here, fee charged greater than 2 lakhs. So how many zeros? 5 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So that is the solution of this questions. Okay, now the next question is question number 7. Okay, and question number 7 is a very simple question. Every time it's asked you what is the question? List 2 disadvantages of e-governance to a disabled person. A disabled person, because disabled person is not able to do every works through computer. If it's handicapped, it's not able to look at the screen, and not able to type, then how can he can do this? How can they use the e-governance? Okay, so it's not beneficial for them. Without the helping, they are not able to do anything. So these points you can write. Next question is B. What is the B question is there? Look at the question. How do online retailers usually offer customers a wider range of product at a prices that are lesser than those of the traditional store? Actually, they don't have to maintain a shop. They don't have to maintain a shop, and they don't have to keep the stock. Actually, they are just containing the link of the sellers. And they the online retailers are working as a middleman, and he is getting the commission. So that's why he has a bulk of the customers, so he can sell the product at very low price and with a minimum profit. So this is the reason behind this. Okay, next question. Mr. Kathy is creating a form for the Vidya University Sports Council. Help her to choose this. So to let her username entered, the first answer is text field. Okay, text field. Second answer is to let the user enter mobile number, again text field. Again text field. Next question is to let the user choose one profession out of this category. One profession is radio button, or maybe you can say combo box. Okay, next is to let the user select facilities out of gym, yoga and table tennis. More than one facility may be chosen. So the answer is this checkbox oblique list box. So this is the solution of end of the solution. I hope you understand this solution, and if you understand, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. All the best.